storms moving in. We are in Kuala Lumpur at the Petronas Towers, and they're kind of decent sized.
Yeah, horns are just as popular here as in Korea, I think.
And
Check out these buildings.
what are they?
They're towers. They're big ones. They're metal, so they look pretty freaking sweet. There's a bridge built between them. The Petronas Towers is the real.
That's what I was looking for.
Yeah, alright. Petronas Towers.
What do you think of Kuala Lumpur?
I think it's freaking amazing. Yeah.
Pretty cool city.
I love how
Very
diverse.
tropical.
Extremely diverse. We took a great bus tour to get here, double-decker bus tour.
And now we're going to be going to the top.